On January 12th, Ether traded up to an 18-month high just above 2,700. Now, the driver of the move was the final approval of the Bitcoin ETF. The talk of the coming ETF had been the primary tailwind for all of cryptocurrencies for over a year. Now, what followed the announcement appeared to be a classic buy the rumor, sell the fact trade, as speculative longs planning on capitalizing on the announcement all raced to the exits. Ether lost over 20% of its value in the next 11 days, while Bitcoin lost about 19.5%. Now, the tumultuous trade in both coins seems to be a repositioning across different platforms to take advantage of the newest available asset. So now, even if net investment were to remain exactly the same, we would expect changes to cause volatility, and volatility is what we saw as Ether gained back 10% of its value between January 23rd and January 30th. The question now for traders is, are we moving through the shadows of the big events from earlier in the month, and can we get back to trading on traditional themes? We will get a clue to the answer of that question with the release of the U.S. employment report on Friday, February 2nd. If the number comes in weaker than expected, as the ADP number report did on January 31st, we might see lower interest rates, a lower dollar, and higher prices in crypto. Now, a reminder, CME Group now offers options on both micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures. We're going to be using the micro futures for these examples. If a trader believes that Ether could move higher from here, they could buy the February micro Ether futures contract at 2,354 and target a move back to January highs of 2,700. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 2,180. Now, this trade could make $34.60 per one lot if the target is reached, and risks $17.40 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that Ether will head lower from here, they could express that by selling the February micro Ether futures contract at 2,354 and target a move to 2,004. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed above at 2,554. This trade can make $35 if the target is reached, and risks $20 if you're stopped out of your level.